Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into an exciting topic, tiny homes. Whether you're looking for an affordable living option, a guest house, or even a mobile office, AliExpress has some amazing options under $5,000. Let's explore these 10 tiny homes, their advantages, and imagine what life could be like inside them. Please subscribe to my channel and go to my description if you want to buy a tiny house for discount. Dreaming of a place to call your own, but reality hits with its mortgage stick? Ouch, right? Today we're stepping into a world of affordable awesomeness. Tiny homes. Think chic, innovative, and surprisingly spacious. AliExpress has cool options under $5,000. So buckle up as we explore 10 amazing tiny homes. First up, we're taking a look at the China 20-foot or 40-foot modern luxury expandable folding prefab steel villa, selling for $3,000. Don't let the name intimidate you. This beauty is all about sleek design and smart functionality. Imagine this. You're hosting friends for the weekend and bam! You unfold this bad boy to reveal a spacious living area that'll make them question if they accidentally walked into a luxury hotel. Built with durable steel, this tiny home is ready to weather any storm, making it perfect for a permanent residence or a vacation home that'll have your neighbors green with envy. Picture yourself sipping coffee on the porch, surrounded by nature, without a single worry about your home's durability. Now that's what I call peace of mind. Calling all nature enthusiasts and aspiring minimalists, this modern pop-style prefabricated house is a compact and stylish option for outdoor living. Its durable construction makes it ideal for various climates, and the interior provides enough space for a cozy living area, a small bedroom, and a basic kitchenette. Perfect for off-grid living or a weekend getaway. Selling for $3,500. The 20-foot outdoor modern pop prefabricated house tiny house is here to make your off-grid dreams a reality. Imagine yourself surrounded by nature, breathing fresh air, with only the sounds of nature to serenade you. Easy to assemble, this tiny home is perfect for hands-on living. Embrace a simpler, fulfilling life, far from the hustle and bustle of the city. Ever dreamed of owning a vacation rental that screams paradise? A 20 feet or 40 feet pre-made mobile modular prefab container house priced at $4,200 is a versatile and cost-effective solution. These folding, expandable container homes are ideal for residential living, offices, vacation homes, rentals, or storage. They typically feature portability, easy installation, and customizable options. Ensure to confirm shipping, installation, and utility setup details before purchase. Selling for $4,000. Well, get ready to list your next Airbnb because the hot-selling 20-foot, 40-foot container house pre-made mobile modular prefab cabin is here to make it happen. This innovative home boasts folding and expandable features that'll make your jaw drop. Imagine unfolding this beauty to reveal a spacious living area perfect for entertaining guests, a kitchenette ready for whipping up tropical cocktails, and a compact yet stylish bathroom. Place it amidst lush greenery. Add a hammock for those lazy afternoons, and watch as the bookings roll in. Who needs a 5-star hotel when you can have your own private oasis? Experience the perfect blend of modern luxury and innovative design with our triangular foldable container homes. Available in 20 feet and 40 feet sizes, these prefabricated homes are designed to offer a unique, stylish, and sustainable living solution. Whether you're looking for a cozy retreat, a vacation home, or a permanent residence, these foldable container homes are versatile, eco-friendly, and built to impress. Prepare to be wowed by the 20-foot, 40-foot luxury triangular foldable container homes, a testament to innovative design and efficient space utilization. Sells for $4,000. Its unique triangular shape isn't just about aesthetics. It's about maximizing every square inch, creating a surprisingly spacious and airy interior. Imagine this architectural masterpiece nestled in your dream location, a lush garden, a secluded forest clearing, or even a rooftop oasis in the city. The possibilities are endless. With its creative use of angles and modern design elements, this tiny home is sure to turn heads and spark conversations. It's time to embrace unconventional living and make a statement. If easy living is your motto, then get ready to meet your match. The portable 3-in-1 foldable home container, Selling for $3,000, folding tiny house. This innovative dwelling is all about flexibility and convenience, folding down to a compact size that's ready to hit the road at a moment's notice. Imagine packing up your entire home and setting off on a whim to explore hidden gems and scenic wonders. Whether you're seeking a weekend retreat or a mobile creative studio, this adaptable space can be customized to fit your every need. Set it up in a serene meadow, unfold its magic, and let your imagination run wild. For those who thrive in the heart of the action, here's a description for the detachable luxury container house at $3,000. This modern and versatile prefab container house is a perfect solution for mobile living, office spaces, or portable accommodations. Designed for convenience, it features a detachable structure for easy assembly and transport. The Detachable Luxury Container Hotel Room Home. Mobile Office Prefab House is the ultimate urban sanctuary. Don't let the hustle and bustle fool you. This tiny home is all about finding tranquility amidst the chaos. Imagine setting up your mobile office with a view of the city skyline, or transforming it into a stylish guest house that's the envy of all your friends. Its lightweight and portable design makes it perfect for navigating busy streets and tight spaces. The minimalist interior is a blank canvas, ready for your personal touch. Add some greenery to bring in the outdoors, create a cozy reading nook, and watch as your tiny home becomes your haven in the urban jungle. Calling all DIY enthusiasts and aspiring interior designers. Prefab flip prefabricated modular houses are modern, cost-effective, and versatile housing solutions. These homes are built using steel-framed, expandable smart containers, designed for efficient construction, durability, and sustainability. Selling for $5,000. The factory price: prefab flip prefabricated modular house construction steel, expandable smart container house is your opportunity to create the home of your dreams literally from the ground up. Its sturdy steel construction and expandable design make it perfect for long-term living, while its clean and open layout is a blank canvas begging for your personal touch. Imagine designing your dream kitchen, crafting a cozy reading nook bathed in natural light, and curating a space that reflects your unique personality. This tiny home is your chance to unleash your inner architect and build a space that's as unique as you are. Can you smell the salty air? This tiny house sells for $3,000, and hear the gentle lull of the waves? The Bungalow Flat Pack Seaside Container House is calling your name. Designed with coastal living in mind, this charming abode features weather-resistant materials that can withstand those salty breezes and sandy shores. Imagine waking up to breathtaking ocean views, with sunlight streaming through the large windows, illuminating the simple yet elegant interior. Add a spacious deck for sipping cocktails as the sun dips below the horizon, and you've got yourself a slice of paradise. This tiny home is an invitation to embrace a slower pace of life, where every day feels like a vacation. For those who thrive in the heart of the action, here's a description for the detachable luxury container house at $3,000. This modern and versatile prefab container house is a perfect solution for mobile living, office spaces, or portable accommodations. Designed for convenience, it features a detachable structure for easy assembly and transport. The Detachable Luxury Container Hotel Room Home. Mobile Office Prefab House is the ultimate urban sanctuary. Don't let the hustle and bustle fool you. This tiny home is all about finding tranquility amidst the chaos. Imagine setting up your mobile office with a view of the city skyline, or transforming it into a stylish guest house that's the envy of all your friends. Its lightweight and portable design makes it perfect for navigating busy streets and tight spaces. The minimalist interior is a blank canvas, ready for your personal touch. Add some greenery to bring in the outdoors, create a cozy reading nook, and watch as your tiny home becomes your haven in the urban jungle. Who says tiny living can't be for the whole family? Discover the charm of compact living with our portable Apple cabin, a stylish and functional tiny container home available in 20 feet and 40 feet sizes. Perfect for individuals or couples, this 2-bedroom tiny container apple cabin combines modern design, portability, and comfort in a compact footprint. Whether you're looking for a cozy retreat, a vacation home, or a minimalist living space, this capsule house is designed to meet your needs. Price is for $5,000. The 20-foot, 40-foot small portable apple cabin, 2-bedroom tiny container house proves that big families can thrive in small spaces. This thoughtfully designed home boasts not 1 but 2 bedrooms, making it perfect for a growing family or even shared living arrangements. Imagine cozy movie nights in the living area, family dinners prepared in the compact yet functional kitchenette, and memories made that will last a lifetime. Set it up by a tranquil lake, a peaceful forest, or even in your own backyard, and watch as this tiny home becomes the backdrop for countless happy moments. Who needs a sprawling mansion when you have love, laughter, and a whole lot of heart packed into one charming package? So there you have it, 10 incredible tiny homes from AliExpress, all under $5,000. From expandable marvels to mobile sanctuaries, these innovative dwellings prove that you don't need a big budget to live large. Each one offers unique advantages and the flexibility to suit your lifestyle. Whether you're looking for mobility, affordability, or a stylish minimalist retreat, let me know in the comments which one caught your eye or where you'd set up your tiny home. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video for more budget-friendly finds. See you next time.